Hello everyone, today I will show you how to translate using S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. At first, take your S Pen and then showing it to this icon, just click on to select translate option. So some phone not showing it to translate option, so click on to add and you can easily add translate option. Now I'm already translate, so go back to click on showing it to select language and translate language. I'm select English. If you want to select your language from here, any language, go back and take a document or text, long press to select and click on to translate. Okay, and then showing it to translate, copy. So that's it, that's how we can using this feature.